Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today I just want to talk about a simple, quick little trick with pivot tables. When you create one and you want to dig down deeper into the details of your pivot table, here's a nice simple way to do that. So let's take a quick look at digging into details of pivot tables. So here I have a simple data range here. I'm just going to create a quick pivot table. I click anywhere inside that pivot table. I go to Insert Pivot Table. I'm going to choose New Worksheet, say OK. And I'm going to put my dollars as the values. I'll put my salespeople in the rows, regions in the columns, country up in the filters. I'm going to throw date in there, and I'm also going to group those by, say, quarters and say OK. So now I've created a nice pivot table here. In fact, let me just also go to value field settings, number format. I'm going to format as numbers, no decimal places, use thousand separator comma, say OK and OK. And then last thing I'm going to do is go to pivot table options, and I'm going to say for empty cells show a double dash, say OK, highlight all that, go home and center it. So now I have a nice little organized pivot table here. Question is, when I want to see what is the origin of that 15,234 or of this 91,948, how do I determine that? Well, in Excel with pivot tables, it's really quite simple. All you need to do is double click on that data, and what Excel does, it opens up a brand new sheet with the details of the information that resulted in those values. So as you can see here, if I highlight this, we go down to our status bar, it totals up 91,948, and I clicked on 91,948. Same thing if I do 57,845 here, double click, Excel opens up a brand new worksheet and gives me the data that totals up to the 57,845. Just a nice simple little trick that I just wanted to make sure you were all aware of. Hope you liked it. Hope it's worthwhile to you. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to stop by my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. Happy excelling.